double bishops here. I could take this. There's a lot of bishops. Let's do that. What? I'm taking that one. I'm taking this one. I'm just taking everything. This is kind of fun. I wish normal chess was this easy. Just take everything. Hey guys, since you enjoy watching me beat Stockfish, I'm back to do it again. This time it's with bishops against knights. Now, according to the engine, this is an advantage of 20 points for white. So in theory, I should be able to win without any problems whatsoever. Let's see if that actually happens. One thing I have to point out, thank you to everybody who pointed it out to me, but apparently the maximum level on chess.com is not Stockfish. It's technically Komodo Dragon. So if you hear me say Stockfish, I really just mean chess engine. I understand it's not actually the Stockfish engine, it's actually Komodo Dragon. Let's get started. Good luck, Stockfish. I'm gonna just start by capturing some of these knights. Okay, he's taken here. I'm just gonna keep taking. I'm gonna see if I can just like go get a queen. Yeah, let's just do this game. Okay, he stopped. He stopped it. All right, we'll take back here too. Okay, he's taking me. Maybe I should start taking over here. Over here. Over here? Oh, he's letting me get a queen. I mean, of course it's going to get taken, but I could do this one with check. Okay. And there's lots of bishops hanging. I can't take any more pawns, so I guess now's the time to start getting rid of these pawns. Okay. Okay, I still have a big advantage, so I'm feeling pretty good. You know what? We've got the triple battery. Let's get rid of that guy. Come on, I have more bishops ready. Let's just take everything. We'll just trade it all. Let's see, what else do I have? I have double bishops here. I could take this. There's a lot of bishops. Let's do that. What? I'm taking that one. I'm taking this one. I'm just taking everything. This is kind of fun. I wish normal chess was this easy. Just take everything. Okay. You know what? What if I took... No. Let's not overcomplicate it. We've got a big lead. Let's just go... get a queen? I mean, what are those knights going to do? He's trying to take this, so I'll trade. Go, buddy, go. Go, 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 go. Let's... I don't even need to take that. I'll just push this. Okay, let's trade. Let's go get my queen. Oh, yes. This was actually pretty easy. So apparently 20 points is... Oh, mate in 14. All right, what's... Nope. Mate in 14 disappeared. Now it's 77. Okay, regardless, I think we should start by just taking this. And taking this. And taking this. And, all right, mate in 6. I think I can find mate in 6. Maybe not, actually. Hold on. We could go something like this. We could bring the queen forward. Let's bring the... then I'm going to lose my bishop, actually. Okay, hold on. Let's go here. No, my queen's hanging. My queen's hanging. All right, we'll go here. Go here. And it's still mate in 6, so I missed something there. Still mate in 6. Come on, Nelson. Mate in 5. Let's go here. Let's just go here. Take this. All right. Where's the mate? Mate in 3? Mate in 3? Could it be like this? Mate in 2. All right, we were close. We're close. Yes. All right, so I can beat Stockfish up 20 points of material. Now let's make it a little bit more fair. So the reason it's such a big advantage is because bishops are slightly better than knights, and then when you have a million of them versus a million knights, it adds up. So what I'm going to do to even this out is remove some of the bishops. So what I've done is just simply remove a row of bishops. It gives some more space, so it's going to give Stockfish some more time to maneuver, and there's just less of an advantage because there's less bishops. So it's, you can see it's kind of fluctuating between 12 and 13. So here we go. Good luck, Stockfish. Let's see if I can beat it with a 12-point advantage. I'm just going to keep pushing forward. I'm not really worried about that. Let's just trade. I want to open it up for the bishops as much as I can. I have 2 bishops attacking that, but there's 2 knights defending it. All right, let's just keep pushing. Let's keep trading. Let's try to open it up here. I don't want it to get too locked off. Okay. I guess at some point I'm going to have to like sacrifice here. Question is, which way do I want to do it? Let's go for a triple, actually, on this. Let's keep piling up on that. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Like I could sacrifice here. No, probably not worth it. I guess we'll push this. Uh-oh, 6.3. Wow, that was a big jump. We just lost a lot of the advantage somehow. And I don't like what has happened here. It's like getting blocked off. This is not ideal for my bishops at all. Okay, I'm thinking about sacrificing here because, but the knights can just take it. Yeah, this is tough. Let's go here. Let's go here. I don't really know what to do, to be honest with you. I really have no idea what I should be doing here. But I'm losing my advantage slowly but surely. My bishops are just kind of stuck. Can't really do much. Okay, maybe... Wow. Wow. Let's just keep moving. All right, I'm going to have to at some point sacrifice something here. But I can't get my light squared bishops in the game. That's the problem. I messed this up from the beginning. I totally messed it up. All right, let's just do it. I don't know. Let's just try to take some stuff. And there goes my advantage. It's gone. It's completely gone. Yeah, I can't afford to sacrifice so many. Oh, and there's 5.2. All right, then. 12 points of advantage is not enough. I think we can win this one. I need to get a better strategy in the beginning. Yeah, I'm gonna quit. I'm gonna give up. I can't. I'm just nope. Good game, Stockfish. All right, rematch time. Here we go. And I know what I need to avoid. Okay, so I'm gonna try to do this a little differently. I need to avoid the pawns getting blockaded like they did last time. So how do I avoid that is the big question. Don't let Stockfish blockade it. So maybe I play like e4 here just to make sure there's lots of like tension with the pawns. Okay, so we can take here. And then maybe I just push this forward. See, he's doing the same thing again. He's doing the exact same thing. But see now, oh no, he's gonna come in here. So I need to be able to sacrifice when that knight comes in. So let's go here. Yeah, let's go here. All right, now I can probably take this. Because I have 3 bishops. There we go. So this is much better. Because now my bishops can actually like do some stuff. So we'll take this. Okay. We can even push this pawn now, probably. So, oh, it's a free pawn. That was... Okay, that was dumb. All right, whatever. It's fine. The point is, the position is open, which is what we want. So let's just make sure we keep it that way. That's the important thing. Keep it that way. Let's go here. Here. Keep it open as much as possible. Let's go ahead and trade this bishop. Let's see. Like, would now be a good time to just take this? Maybe I just leave it for a little bit. Maybe I just leave it. Let's bring this bishop around. Okay, that's fine. Let's come over here and potentially trade that off. Okay, that's fine. 6.9. 1, 2, 3 knights are defending this. 2 knights and a pawn. Let's maybe pile on the pressure there. See, I don't want to lock it up. So let's... 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's take this. Let's take it. Maybe we'll take it this way. How did I lose advantage from that? What? All right, let's go here. Wait a minute. Let's actually just trade this one off. Trade this off. Okay. I think we're okay because let's see, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6. Yeah, we're doing okay. Let's keep trading. We're ahead. So let's trade. Let's go here, try to control some of those light squares. There's 2 knights attacking that square. I can't do that yet. Let's go here. Okay, let's go. So 3, 6, 3, 6. I thought it was up a piece. Was I not up? I guess I wasn't. All right, fine. So it's even, or we're up a pawn. How do we do this? So let's activate the king. Maybe we'll put the king over here. Seems like it's good to defend this guy. Now I can use this bishop. Let's go here. Well, let's... this is a weakness. Let's defend it. Yeah, we'll defend it. Oh, stockfish. So tricky, so tricky. Let's take this one. This one with check. This one... How did I lose all my advantage? Did I lose a piece? Oh, I did. I did lose a piece. It's gone. It's over. Because even though I can take one, I'm losing this one. Man. Yep, that's it. That's it. So I can't beat Stockfish with a 12-point advantage. That's sad. That's really sad. Alright, I have one more idea to try. Alright, my last attempt here is going to be this position where I've kind of sort of randomly put a bunch of bishops and knights on the board. No pawns. Supposedly I have an 8.5-point lead. So let's see how this turns out. Alright, first of all, what is being attacked the most? 1, 2, 3 bishops are on this knight, but it's really well defended. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 bishops attacking this knight, only defended twice, so I'm thinking I should take this one. I also have, let's see, 3 bishops attacking this knight, but that's super well defended. Although, if I, like, traded off that, then I could take the knight behind there. What is black threatening? Not really anything. All right, let's actually just take this one. I think this is fine, just to take this guy. That's just a simple win a piece, right? Oh, he's got it covered. Okay, but here we go. We can take this one. All right, fine. That works. In theory. Take this one. Oh, he's going to take this one. Ooh, okay. So we could take this knight, but it's got lots of defenders. We could take this knight, which forces this to happen. We could save this bishop. We could... I don't think we can do anything there. That's defended. Okay, so I probably need to just save this bishop. So let's go here. Okay. Worked me. You've worked me. All right. I'm going to just trade to simplify it a little bit. Might be a mistake. Okay. Now is when we need to really be careful. Defended, defended. Let's put this bishop here. See if we can take advantage of the king's placement. Let's put this bishop here. Make sure everything is defended. There we go. Oh. So many blunders. So many blunders. I mean, I have like a sort of an aggressive position, but I think I needed that other light squared bishop. All right, let's go ahead and get rid of these knights. And... let's try to undermine the defenders here. It's not that easy, is it? I could take and then go there again, though. That might work. Oh, of course. Okay. All right. Are we just going to get a draw? I think we're going to get a draw here. Yeah, I don't really see any way to make progress. I can go here and try to attack it. Right, he just gets out of the pin. I'm missing a bishop. Yeah, I needed that other bishop. So now it's... we can just trade to draw. Yeah. All right. Good game, Stockfish. He's going to keep playing. He's going to try to checkmate me with the knight. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know what you want to see next. Stay sharp. Play smart. Take care.